Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm still at Caesars Creek State Park, and believe it or not, boy, if I'm down to only 55 minutes left on this video, then I must have ate up a whole ton of footage today. But Horseshoe Falls is over there on the yellow perimeter trail, so I'm getting very close to the end of my hike right now. So yeah, I got a couple hours of footage on the memory card from yesterday, so I've about maxed out. But I got the other camera with me, and I'm not that far from my destination. There was a section I remember slipping on here a couple years ago. So of course I gotta be conscious of that. Could have been right down in this section right here. It was somewhere right down here. Actually, they got little steps that goes right down here. But yeah, it's a really beautiful area. Horseshoe Falls. This is the last, it might have been this area right here. This is the last landmark, I think, at the park before the 50 Springs shelter. If I'm not, but yeah, I think it is. Because I know I've already gone at least a quarter of a mile, probably, and it said like a mile back to 50 Springs. It's an absolutely beautiful day out. Hey, how you doing here? Doing pretty good. I'm going to end this one and start a new one.